Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation. Today we'll dive into our analysis of car pricing trends and brand performance using statistical methods. The used car market is dynamic and influenced by various factors like mileage, year of manufacture, and brand reputation. To gain a deeper understanding of these factors, we analyzed a data set of 4,300 cars sourced from the Cardeco platform. This analysis isn't just about numbers. It's about uncovering actionable insights to help both buyers and sellers make better decisions. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore the methods used, the challenges we faced, and the key findings we discovered. Let's get started. The backbone of our analysis is the dataset we used. Sourced from Kaggle, it contains information on 4,300 used cars. But why did we choose this particular dataset? First, it offers a wide variety of car models and conditions, giving us a diverse and realistic representation of the used car market. This diversity is critical for statistical analysis, as it ensures our insights are comprehensive and applicable to real-world scenarios. Second, the data set includes valuable attributes like selling price, kilometers driven, and year of manufacture. These attributes directly impact pricing and allowed us to study patterns effectively. Finally, it reflects the Indian market, a region with unique buyer preferences and brand loyalties. By analyzing this data, we aim to uncover trends that could help consumers make informed choices and businesses understand market demands better. To begin our analysis, we categorize the data into numerical and categorical types. This step might seem simple, but it's crucial. Numerical data like price, mileage, and year of manufacture involves measurable variables that we can analyze using mathematical and statistical techniques. For example, understanding how mileage correlates with price requires treating mileage as numerical data. On the other hand, categorical data represents groups or categories such as car brands, fuel types, or transmission types. These categories help us compare groups. For instance, analyzing whether petrol or diesel cars have higher average prices. By clearly distinguishing between numerical and categorical data, we ensured the use of appropriate statistical methods for each variable, making our analysis both accurate and insightful. Once the data set was ready, we moved on to exploration. Exploration involves digging deep into the data to understand its structure, relationships, and trends. But before analysis, we had to clean the data. This meant handling missing values, which could otherwise skew results, and detecting outliers, those extreme values that often distort averages or patterns. For example, a car listed at an unrealistically low or high price might indicate a data error. Cleaning such inconsistencies was essential to maintain accuracy. Next, we identified key variables like price, mileage, year of manufacture, and fuel type. These variables were central to our analysis. For instance, we wanted to explore whether newer cars consistently fetch higher prices or if fuel type affects buyer preferences. Finally, we visualized the data. Scatter plots helped us observe correlations, such as how mileage impacts price, while histograms revealed the distribution of car prices across the dataset. These visualizations made complex relationships more understandable, setting the stage for deeper analysis. Now let's discuss the methods we used. Statistical analysis was at the core of our project. First, we summarized the data, calculating averages and medians for key variables like price and mileage. This helped us get a big picture understanding of the dataset. Next, we performed exploratory data analysis, or EDA. EDA involves visualizing and interpreting data to identify trends and anomalies. For example, we created scatter plots to study the relationship between mileage and price, and box plots to spot outliers in car pricing. Data cleaning was another critical step. By removing missing values and outliers, we ensured the reliability of our results. Feature engineering was also a major focus. This involves transforming raw data into a form that's easier to analyze. For instance, grouping cars by age into categories like new, moderate, and old provided deeper insights into how a car's age impacts its price. These methods were combined to identify patterns, relationships, and trends in the dataset, giving us a robust framework for drawing conclusions. Let's move on to the findings. One of the first insights was about brand performance. We found that Hyundai, Maruti, and Mahindra dominate the dataset, reflecting their popularity in the Indian market. Mahindra stood out in particular, achieving the highest total sales value, 181 million Indian rupees. Honda, on the other hand, had the highest number of cars sold, with 251 units. When it came to pricing, the average sale price of cars was 490,000 Indian rupees, and the average mileage was 56,000 kilometers. Lower mileage cars were generally sold at higher prices, which makes sense as buyers often associate lower mileage with better condition and longevity. We also discovered that newer cars tend to command higher prices. This insight is especially valuable for sellers, as it highlights the importance of marketing newer models effectively. Finally, we analyzed fuel types and found that petrol cars were more common, but diesel cars often had a higher resale value. These findings provide a nuanced understanding of what influences pricing in the used car market. In conclusion, this project highlighted several key trends in the used car market. We showed how factors like mileage, age, and brand reputation significantly influence car prices. By addressing challenges like missing data and outliers, we ensured the accuracy of our analysis. Our insights can help buyers understand market trends, like knowing that newer, low-mileage cars typically cost more, and assist sellers in pricing their cars competitively. Moving forward, predictive models could enhance our analysis, allowing us to estimate car prices based on specific features with even greater accuracy. This study not only provided a snapshot of the current market, but also laid the groundwork for future research. Thank you for listening, and I'm happy to take any questions.